Hi viewers, today we will know about the structure under cover of gluteus maximus muscle. They are nothing but just the things with which we glued most. Gluteus, that is glued, maximus is the most. Structure under cover of gluteus maximus are muscles, vessels, nerve, bone and joints, ligament and bursa. So first come to bone. We can spell bone as bane. So bane is what? Sister. We glue to sister who loves us most, like fenugreek, methi, which is an appetizer which is used for sweetener as well as anti-diabetic. So balanced love in two proportion. The love is only given by sister. Is kitna, fenugreek jitna. So bone under cover of gluteus maximus, isk, ISC, ileum of hip bone, sacrum and coccyx. Itna, IT, ischial tuberosity, fenugreek, that is femur, upper part. Jitna, GT, greater trochanter. Now coming to second structure under cover of gluteus maximus, bursa. Bursa, that is a fluid filled pad to combat the friction at the joint. So bursa, that is rain. In Hindi, bursa is versa, that means rain. We want to glue with rain or bursa. So bursa in between the gluteus maximus and greater trochanter, bursa in between the gluteus medius and greater trochanter, gluteus minimus and greater trochanter. All glue is at one side and greater trochanter on the side. So it's just not awesome even thinking of raining in Grand Trunk Road, GT, greater trochanter, with all glow, that is all gluteus. This you can see the glow of rainbow, and this is Grand Trunk Road, and experiencing raining here is just awesome. Versa. So bursa, second is the bursa in between the gluteus maximus and vastus lateralis. So watching rain, having a vase with a beautiful flower lying laterally on the table. In this picture you can see. So vas is the vastus and laterally is the lateralis. And another is the versa in between the hamstring part of adductor magnus and ischial tuberosity. Watching rain with eating ham of chicken in twilight. Ham is hamstring part of adductor magnus and in twilight is the ischial tuberosity. Okay. Now coming to third structure, that is joints. We always want to join with two things, that is hobby and second is the schoolmate. So joints under cover of gluteus maximus muscle, hobby is for hip joint and schoolmate is for sacroiliac joint. Here is the hip joint and here is the sacroiliac joint. Now coming to another structure, that is ligament. Ligament very much sounds like ligate. Okay, we always want to ligate with sweet slumber, that is meethi neend. Sweet, sacrotuberous, slumber, sacrospinous. So two ligaments, sacrotuberous, in between the sacrum and the ischial tuberosity, sacrotuberous, and the sacrospinal between the sacrum and the ischial spine, sacrospinous ligament. This is sacrospinous and here is the sacrotuberous ligament. Another structure is the muscle. We can also pronounce it as muscle. So what is muscle in our life? Semester exam, first MBBS, second MBBS, third MBBS, PG. अरे क्यों PG, OGG, बस. So sometime half, that is semester, half muscle, reflected head of rectus femoris. This is R. One muscle group, that is quadratus femoris. Q. Key muscle, that is piriformis. Two group muscle, that is gemellus superior and gemellus inferior. Gemellus superior and gemellus inferior here. This G. And O for obturator externus and internus. Array QPG. So this is gemellus superior inferior. OGG. O is for obturator externus and internus. Now come to three group muscle. We are studying under structure of gluteus maximus. So only two is left, gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. So this is for GG. Three group muscle. And now coming to four group, bus. That is biceps femoris, adductor magnus, semimembranosus and semitendinosus. These are muscle in our life. So these are muscles under cover of gluteus maximus. Now coming to vessels under cover of gluteus maximus. Vessel is SIP. This is SIP. All cast and crew member are just glued to vessel all the time for giving us better service. These are the cast and crew of vessel. So mnemonic for vessels under cover of gluteus maximus is all cast. All, that is A for ascending branch of medial and lateral circumflex branch of profunda femoris vessel. L is very much similar to the I. So I is for internopudendal vessel, another I is inferior gluteal vessel. Cast, CAST. C for cruciate anastomosis. A for ascending branch of first perforating branch of profunda femoris vessel. S for superior gluteal vessel and T for trochanteric anastomosis. Now coming to last structure, that is nerve. Nerve of the society in which we live is each and every individual. And each and every individual has got its own persona and magnetism. And this magnet can glue many pins. So, mnemonic for the nerve under cover of gluteus maximus is pins. P for posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh. I for internal pudendal nerve and the inferior gluteal nerve. N for nerve to obturator internus and nerve to quadratus femoris. S for superior gluteal nerve as well as the sciatic nerve. Here we can see this is superior gluteal nerve, this is inferior gluteal nerve, this is the thickest one is the sciatic nerve. Thank you.